You know what this stuff does to your voice?
Quick, before she gets here.
Okay.
Good morning, class. I'm Sam Cohen, and for today's experiment...
What? Peter, what's going on? Talk to me. Come on.
I'm just going to my desk.
Well, I'm very glad to see that the helium experiments that we did last week are being paid attention to. We're not going to be talking about helium today. What we're going to talk about today is light. And one more thing. We're going to talk about color.
But color doesn't exist, Mr. Cohen.
That's right, Dizzy. Color is a sensation that we feel when light of different wavelengths strikes our eyes. Now, even though light is a tiny part of the electromagnetic spectrum, just a tiny part when you compare it to the energy of the universe, it's vital for life. You know, there's this amazing process called photosynthesis. Light lets plants and trees convert nutrients from the soil, like minerals and carbon dioxide, into sugars, and these sugars create the energy for growth. And one of the byproducts of this growth, oxygen, by which we live. Thousands of people for hundreds of years have been doing this experiment. Only one guy, old Isaac here, Isaac Newton, he's the one who figured out that it wasn't the prism that was creating all the colors. No, it was the light. In order for plants to grow, they need all the colors, all the energy of the spectrum. Because if all the energy isn't there, life on this planet would cease to exist.